All right, here we go, guys. We are going to go over the review from last night to see how you did with that. So open your packet to pages 33 through 35. All right, so Tiny Town is divided into three distinct regions, north, south, and central, and each region wants to run its own bus line. Tiny Town has 26 buses, and the mayor has to decide how many buses should go to each region. North has 675 people, south 363, and central 162. So the first thing you needed to do was to calculate the ideal ratio. So remember what we're going to do for that? We're going to add up all of the people and divide by the number of buses in town. And what the ideal ratio tells us, it turns out to be 46.15. It's the number of people it takes to earn one bus. All right, so now we have to do the initial apportionment. So remember, first we have to calculate the quota. So we take the individual class sizes divided by the ideal ratio. So here's the class sizes divided by that ideal ratio. Here's our quota. Remember, everybody does something differently. Hamilton and Jefferson truncate the quota. So they chop off this decimal part right here. So they both give away 14, 7, and 3, which is 24. So they still have to give 2 more buses away. Remember, Webster rounds. So this one goes up to 15, this one goes up to 8, and this one goes up to 4. In doing so, he gives away 1 too many buses, so Webster has to take a bus away. All right, now we have to calculate these adjusted ratios. So remember, for Jefferson, it's the class size divided by 1 more than they initially gave. And for Webster, because we gave away too many, it's class size divided by half less of what we initially gave. So there you go. You can see how they did. So we initially gave 14, so we'll divide by 15. Initially gave 7, we'll divide by 8. Initially gave 3, we'll divide by 4. For these three over here, remember we initially gave 15, I'll divide by 14.5. Initially gave 8, divide by 7.5. Initially gave 4, divide by 3.5. So remember, the final thing is we compare whoever is closest to the ideal ratio. The ideal ratio was 46.15. So these two groups are going to get an extra bus, and then we're going to have to take the bus away from this group down here. So finally, the final apportionment, remember Hamilton gives it to the largest decimal. This is how he turns out. And Jefferson and Webster give it to whoever's closest to the ideal ratio. Hope this helps you out with your homework. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.